Here's a quick and easy recipe for chimichurri sauce. Start by adding a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar to a blender, along with a 1/4 cup of lime juice, 2 to 4 cloves of garlic, num-nums, I put 4, 1 shallot, a 1/2 cup of olive oil into the blender, a couple pickled jalapenos for a little kick,
Okay, you turn it off.
and then add 1 cup of olive oil slowly to the blender while blending to emulsify. Then add salt and pepper, cilantro, and parsley. And it's so tasty. Add the extra sauce to an ice cube tray to freeze for future meals. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe.